So Abu Safwan from Kuwait says that if there was a person who was in need, let's say for a surgery, for something that was of a necessity, and this person is classified Islamically as poor or needy, and I gave him from zakat money as help, this is permissible, providing that this person, had he known that it is zakat, would accept it. I don't have to tell him because this would hurt his feeling. But I know that he's in need and he takes zakat. If I were to know that this person does not accept zakat, I cannot give him from zakat. Maybe he's a sayyid and he feels that he should not take from the zakat, though he's poor, but he does not take from the zakat and he does not accept it. In this case, I should not give him from the zakat. But if I most likely think that he accepts it, I don't have to tell him. So I give him 10,000 euros for his operation, for his treatment, whatever. And after a year, he comes back to me and says, may Allah bless you, here's your 10,000 euros. Now, either I tell him, if it's okay, akhi, this was from zakat, so this was given to you, you can keep it. Or I just tell him that akhi, it was a gift, keep it. If he insists on giving it back and refuses to keep it, in this case, this money is not mine. I have to immediately give it to the poor and needy as if it is today's zakat being given out. So I cannot keep the money. If he doesn't want to keep it, I can take it and give it to someone else who is needy, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.